Stokbord Road Shield is a plastic board which is used for putting spoil on. Its main purpose is to protect the roads and pavements from gouging and scarring from excavation. It is made from 100% recycled plastic and is 100% recyclable after use. The features of the product are: it's very easy to lift and move about site, it's lightweight, it's tough and it's durable, and it can be used over and over again. There are many benefits that Road Shield will bring to the utility sector, the main one being cost savings. It will avoid contractors receiving large fines for damage to roads and pavements. It will also avoid unnecessary repair costs. It's estimated it costs £1,500 per square metre to repair a road or pavement which is damaged by a contractor. And most of all, KPI targets. One of the most important things for KPIs for contractors is customer complaints and keeping them to an absolute minimum. Wales and West Utilities approached Centriforce due to the amount of complaints and fines they were receiving for damage to roads and highways. They approached us for a solution, and we came up with the Stokbord Road Shield as a potential product for them to trial, and that's been successfully tested and approved as having a major benefit to their business.
At Wales and West Utilities, previously to using the Stokbord Road Shield, our engineers have been using sheets of MDF, chipboard, also sheets of tarpaulin, just as a way of trying to somehow protect the footpaths and the highways that we work on. But what we have found is that during winter conditions, especially rain and wind, those materials aren't actually sufficient. The benefits that we have seen of using the Stokbord Road Shield to date has been financial benefit to actually reduce the Highways Authority's fines that we sometimes receive as a result of damage in highways and footpaths. The boards allow us to be more sustainable and environmentally friendly because these boards are reusable, they're not a one-time use. Engineers have said how easy they are to manoeuvre, and also from a customer perspective, these boards allow us to keep our sites safe and tidy. Overall, I would definitely recommend the Stokbord Road Shield protection board. And I think other networks and other utility companies should definitely take note of the benefits and potentially look at rolling these out on their networks so that a fit-for-purpose solution available to their engineers and to their customers.
Stokbord Road Shield is a great partner for the utility sector. For more information, visit centriforce.com or use the contact details on screen.